Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be showing you all the best features of the Realme pad. By the way, I've already made a dedicated video for the tips and tricks section where I've talked about many things which I won't be covering in this video. So definitely check out that video as well, link will be in the description. Now with that said, the most highlighting feature about this particular tablet would be its quad stereo speakers. Yes, this tablet actually comes with 4 speakers, 2 on the left and 2 on the right, perfect for the left and right channels with Dolby Atmos. So for media consumption, whether it's for watching videos or even playing games, you definitely won't have any problem in the audio department. By the way, here's a quick audio preview. Next best thing about this tablet is obviously its display. This tablet comes with a massive 10.4-inch display with WUXGA resolution, which is like Full HD++ with 82.5% screen to body ratio. In the market at the current price, this is definitely one of the biggest tablets that you can get. So when it comes to display and for tablets, bigger is always better. Next best thing about this tablet would be its performance. This tablet actually comes with a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with Mali G52 GPU with up to 4GB of RAM and up to 64GB of storage. These are the benchmark scores. Even though the processor is slightly outdated, but for a tablet at this price, it's still pretty good enough and the performance is pretty good. You can play all the games without any issues, and you can also play games like PUBG at low graphic settings with minimal to no lag. For a normal user, performance is definitely more than sufficient, and even if you're a gamer, performance is definitely sufficient. Next best thing about this Realme pad would be its massive battery. This tablet comes with a massive 7100 mAh battery. It supports fast charging and also comes with an 18 watts power adapter inside the box. By the way, we also get the fast charger even with the base variant. So once again, a massive battery size with fast charging and the power adapter, that's pretty unique in this price segment. Next, this tablet also has some pretty impressive cameras. It has an 8MP camera on the rear and an 8MP camera on the front. These are some sample shots. Going on next, this tablet doesn't have a fingerprint scanner, but we do have the face unlock feature. And here's a quick preview. In good lighting conditions, it works really fast, almost unlocks the tablet within a second. In low lighting conditions, it's still fast and takes about a second or two to unlock the tablet. In complete darkness, it's a hit or a miss. Overall, face unlock works and it's definitely usable. For the rear camera, it has just one gesture, that's tap to take pictures. Just enable this feature and touch the preview window to take a picture. Now for the front camera, it also has the palm gesture, and once you enable this feature, whenever your phone sees your palm, it takes a picture in 2 seconds. This feature is really handy for taking selfies. Next we have dark mode. This is another famous feature, and once you enable this feature, it'll change all the UI elements to the dark mode or the dark theme. Things like notification panel, home screen, or even settings all change to the dark mode. Some of the system applications like the phone dialer SMS application also change to the dark mode. Some Google applications like Play Store and YouTube also automatically change to the dark mode. Next we have eye comfort mode. It's just another name for the reading mode, and once you enable it, it puts a warm tint on the screen to reduce the blue light emitted from the display. It also has the black and white mode where it turns the whole display black and white. Next, this phone also has Dolby Atmos sound enhancement. Now this feature is only available for the headset, and if you're using a headset, it can definitely improve your overall audio experience. We have a new navigation gesture called swipe from both sides. Now once you enable this feature, you can swipe from the bottom to go home, swipe and hold for recent taps, and finally swipe from the left side or right side to go back a step. These are the new swipe gestures even seen on Android 10, and it's already available on this phone. Next, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots on this phone. Well, there are mainly 2 ways. One is by using the buttons. Just press the volume down and power button both at the same time to take a screenshot. Next, we also have the 3-finger screenshot gesture. Once enabled, you can just swipe down using 3 fingers to take a screenshot. By default, this gesture is always enabled. Now going on next, this even comes with screen recording. You can start it from the notification toggles, or you can also use the smart bar, which can be accessed from anywhere by swiping on the right side corner. You can stop recording by clicking the stop button on the floating bubble. Next, we have some screen off gestures, like double tap to wake. Just enable it and double tap the screen to wake it up. Next, we have digital well-being. Now, this is a feature from Google that tracks all your usage on your phone and gives you a complete analysis of which apps you're using more, and then helps you limit your usage and block notifications from those applications. Next, we have wind down. This feature is part of digital well-being, which can help you sleep faster at night. Using this feature, you can schedule your phone to turn on grayscale mode and do not disturb mode automatically at a specific time. Next, we have assistive ball. Now, just in case if navigation gestures are not really your thing, but you still want a much more immersive experience, you can enable assistive ball. Once you enable this feature, you'll see a floating bubble that can do multiple actions. Now, first you need to select the operation mode. You have gestures and tap mode. I'll go with gestures. Now you can tap once to go back, double tap for multitasking, and touch and hold to go home. If you select tap, once you click it, you just get additional options, just like the iPhones and iPads. Now this is another way to interact with your phone and gives you a much more immersive experience. Next, we have kid space. If your kid is troubling you about your phone, he wants to play some games, or maybe sometimes he accidentally purchases stuff, kid space can be quite useful for you. Once you configure this kid space, your kid will be able to only use specific applications that you choose, and he will be able to use your phone only for a specific amount of time. Once again, it's a nice feature, but if your kid already knows your password, it's completely useless. So guys, those were all the best features. If I missed out on anything important, do let me know by commenting below this video, and make sure you check out my video on tips and tricks section. Link will be in the description. Now, if you're planning to buy this phone, please use the link in the description. It always helps the channel, and if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.